welcome back to Between the Sundays. I'm glad you're here with me today. We're just gonna look at some makeup brush cleaners today and how to make it yourself. And I also want to show you quick how I store my makeup brushes. I was looking for something to hold them and separate them, and I thought of my popsicle maker that I bought when the kids were little, and I was no longer using it for that, so I just thought, oh, that would work really well. So it actually does. I put it in my drawer in my bathroom, and this is just perfect. And I wanted to show you this because I've talked already about using what you have and making use of it in different ways, things that will serve you better. And this is a good example of that. It just, I use it way more than I ever did when I had it for using it as a popsicle maker. So we're just gonna make a do-it-yourself recipe for cleaning makeup brushes. It's very simple, but it's very effective, and it also sterilizes them while really getting all the gunk out. So let's just make that quick. Okay, well, because of the way the sun's shining right now, and just the layout of my kitchen, it's really hard for me to get the right angle for you at this point. So I'm just going to tell you what I did. I used a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of dish soap. You can use Dawn if you want to. You can just use dish soap. It just needs to cut the grease, really. And then a cup of warm to hot water. Mix that together and pour it into a container that will be deep enough to hold all your makeup brushes. And then just put in all your makeup brushes, heads down, of course, and let them soak for 20 minutes. And I also found this on a Pinterest hack, and they just said, you know, you could buy this at the dollar store. It's just a pot holder thingy, and use this to clean the makeup brushes, and it works. Actually, it works good. I was really kind of surprised, but I like it a lot. And it really helps to get all the, because of the grooves and everything, it really helps to get all of the dirt out. And I also washed the container and just put it on a clean old towel and let it dry. I also wanted to share with you, I thought I had it over there, but I had heard makeup artists talking about sterilizing your brushes between washings, and she was saying she just used rubbing alcohol and some water, at least half rubbing alcohol to half water, and spray the brush heads, and then actually spray the makeup palette or just the compact, whatever it is, spray the makeup itself, and just a few light sprays. It evaporates so quickly that it doesn't keep the makeup wet at all, but it does sterilize it. And I just thought that was such a great hack that I wanted to share that with you. I hope that will help you, and that something I said today will be of help to you. Let me know in the comments below if it did help, if there's anything that you'll take away from this. I would love to hear about it. I would love it if you subscribe. I would love it if you left me a comment. I hope you have a wonderful day, and that I'll see you again between the Sundays. So anyway, we're going to go through a recipe on how to DIY